Hey everyone! Yes, I am back and I want to tackle more of those crazy things that you guys have found across the internet about essential oils. So I am going to go ahead and refresh my page. And just to make sure that I can see all of your comments, I know it takes a few minutes for Facebook to notify you guys of where I am. If you did not see my earlier live or my live from 2 days ago, you can find those over on YouTube. We do have a YouTube channel, and you can find all of that information over there. And we have gone live. This is now the third time to discuss the crazy things, that recommendations and advice that you have seen across the internet. So give me 1 second. I'm just going to make sure this is muted as I look at the comments here so that you guys can comment. As well as I'm actually answering your questions live at the same time. So those of you who are here live that want to comment, interact, or have a question of your own, you can absolutely ask me here as well. These will be recorded and placed on YouTube so that other people can also learn the answers to the questions. So you can find me on YouTube, just look for Using Essential Oils Safely, or just scroll the group and try to find the replays in here. Sometimes it's a little tough to find. So we are going through the crazy things that people, those of you who are in this group, are commenting that you are finding all across the internet. Now, it could be Facebook, it could be Instagram, it could be Pinterest, wherever that you are finding this information that may not be the safest thing. So let's go ahead and pick up where we left off, and we are going to pick up on, let me see, let's go ahead with, okay, so this is, I have not actually pre-read any of these, just so you know. So here's where we left off from Gemma. That oils have a relationship with your star sign, and if you end up with a rash from using essential oils, that means your body is detoxifying. I know better than believing rashes are a sign of detoxification.